Welcome back, everybody. Back at the house. Got a little help today from my dad. And we're going to be working on getting this wall closed back up. Yeah, we're going to work on getting these 2x4s replaced, cutting this siding so we can actually add on to it with some new fresh boards, and replacing the sheeting. Let's get at it. Oh man, super excited with the progress we made today. We're definitely calling it a day there. All the siding is up, the new sheeting is up, the back door is in. You can now lock the house. All the tools that I have in there are now, I guess, technically safe. I mean, nobody can get in without a key unless you break a window. Don't come break any of my windows. But thank you everybody for watching. I'll see y'all next episode.